In this tutorial, we're talking about how to make money with eClinton Pay. Now, when you go to the website pay.eclinton.com, you come to the section of make money. That's make money. Now, there are two ways of making money: affiliate marketing, that's referral program, or as a reseller. Currently, being a reseller is a good option for our users, but we have placed every of our products on the same price with the basic users for this current moment. Whenever we make an update, we'll make it to be known to every person and the resellers. So when you are a reseller, you get gifts from us, giveaways, and branded materials which we give at random. It can be through a draw or a raffle ticket, just something, or we just place it on the group, and who picks it takes it. So currently, that's how a reseller benefits, and utmost attention is another thing a reseller benefits, because a reseller and a super reseller are premium users. More attention is given to them, and with time we now differentiate the prices. We made the basic price and the premium price to be same currently because of how expensive these stocks are to get, mostly MTN SME data. So to make it affordable to everyone, that is why we made everything flat for everyone for now. If you want to upgrade to a reseller or a super reseller, you click on upgrade. Now you have to put your login details. That's if you are coming from the front end of the website, you log in. So here you have it. So you select the one you want, reseller. So you make sure you have up to 1.5 in your account to be and to upgrade to a reseller. Once you click on, you select the particular package you want, you click on activate reseller. But I don't want to do it, I'm the admin. So once you click it, the money will be deducted from your account. You'll be upgraded to a reseller. Same with super reseller. You select super reseller, 3,000 credits, then you activate your the package. So that be it. Another way of doing this is when you're on dashboard, you come to your left menu here, you see resellers, get started. It brings you to this same place. So if you're already on your dashboard, you just go through menu, resellers, get started. It brings you here, you do the same thing. But you are coming from the front end, you just click on upgrade. It's as simple as that. Once you click upgrade, you enter your login details, it will bring you to this same place. So wherever you are coming from, it takes you to the same destination. Alright, so now talking about affiliate marketing, that is referral bonus. You as the referrer, you are getting paid 500 naira when you get us a reseller, and you are getting paid 1,000 naira when you refer us a super reseller. You only get this money when the person you referred upgrades to any of these packages. So if you refer people and they did not upgrade, then there is nothing to earn. So what you now do is you click on affiliate. If you are from the front end, it brings you in. I'm already logged in. If you are not logged in, you have to put in your login details and you log in. You copy your affiliate link, that's your referral link. When you copy it, you share with your friends. So when they register, you encourage them to upgrade. When they upgrade, you make your money. If you're already on the dashboard, just scroll down here and click on copy link, or you go to right menu, click on this profile picture and you view profile. The same thing you get here, you click on copy link. So that is the way it works.